Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make soy sauce at home. First, gather your ingredients: 2 cups of soybeans, 2 cups of roasted wheat, and 1/2 cup of koji starter. You will also need 1/2 cup of salt and 4 cups of water for the brine. Sterilize all your equipment thoroughly to ensure a clean fermentation process. Next, we prepare the koji base. Cook your soybeans until they are very tender, then drain and let them cool completely. Combine the cooled soybeans with the roasted wheat and your koji starter. Spread this mixture thinly on a clean tray. Incubate it at 85 degrees Fahrenheit for about 48 hours, allowing the koji mold to grow. Now let's start the fermentation. Transfer your koji mixture into a clean fermentation vessel. Prepare a brine by dissolving 1/2 cup of salt in 4 cups of water. Pour this brine over the koji, making sure everything is completely submerged. Seal the vessel and allow it to ferment at room temperature for 6 to 12 months, stirring occasionally. Finally, it's time to press and bottle your homemade soy sauce. Strain the fermented moromi through a fine cheesecloth to separate the liquid. Gently press the remaining solids to extract every last drop. Pasteurize the raw soy sauce by heating it to 170 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. Once cooled, bottle your delicious soy sauce in sterilized containers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.